Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we are doing a new install on the 2022 GR86. We got some awesome taillights from Suma Performance, and these have a completely different style versus the OEM ones. I don't have anything against the OEM look at all, but these ones have sequential turn signals. They've got a cool little white design on there, which matches the white paint perfectly. So we're gonna go ahead and switch these out. It is really easy to do, nice and plug and play, and let's get right into it. So here is the old taillight. Very nice taillights. I'm not gonna complain about them, but here we go. To start the install, you're gonna have to take out this little black piece right here. You can get a little trim removal tool and just get it on the side, and it should pop right out for you guys to pull out. Now that you guys got the piece out, you're gonna use a 10mm to get these little screws out right there. There's gonna be 2 for the taillight and 1 on the top right there. And then you guys just unplug it and your taillight should be completely removed. So there's the old one versus the brand new one. So a huge difference between these two. All right, so here's the new one fully installed. We just clicked it right into place. The clips popped in, and then we just put the 10mm back in after plugging it in, and it works perfectly. So plug and play 100% of the way. But here's a comparison, one being the new one versus the old one, and being turned on during the daytime. So the ones on the right are a little darker red. The new ones are a little bit of a lighter red, but the design is really awesome, nice and sleek. And then here's the old one. And then here we're showing the turn signals. So the old one has just a blinking one, as the new one has a full sequential turn signal, which I thought was pretty awesome. And then here we got the nice little film we get to take off. The most satisfying part of any install. We got the right side in here, and just look how beautiful this taillight looks. And now with both of the lights on, both of them installed, look how awesome the car is looking. It looks absolutely amazing. I just absolutely love how these turned out in the end. Definitely think it matches the whole look of the car. All right, so we're gonna show you the brake light now. So the brake light looks like this. It's actually really clean looking. I like how they did it right on top of the little white accent. And then if you brake and use your turn signals at the same time, it actually looks really cool too. So we'll turn on the hazards and brake as well. So there's what it looks like with the hazards. And then here's what it looks like with the brake and the hazards on. Looks absolutely awesome. Definitely recommend you guys check out these taillights for yourself. If you guys do have a 2022 or 2023 BRZ or GR86, Suma Performance has a whole lot of options for you to choose from. They have, I think, 4 different styles of these taillights, so go ahead and check them out. Link will be in the description down below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.